Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And before we get started, I just wanted to offer a little apology for sporadically uploading my videos, but summer is one of the busiest times at my job, and so please just bear with me as I do my best to roll out videos to you. So today, I am super excited to be participating in the monthly color series Tablescape Open Collab, hosted by Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, along with her co-hosts this month, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Amethyst Adventures. I will leave their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. So yes, today Marilyn has chosen the color peach for the month of May, and we are welcome to use coordinating colors if we like. And so today I'm showing you my peach with a twist tablescape. So let's start off with the items that I am using. This is what I came up with. So guys, I love the richness of the taupe tablecloth paired with the turquoise placemats, but I wanted to break up the turquoise a little by adding that beautiful copper charger plate, because after all, it's about the peach, and I wanted a rich peach undertone, and for me, the copper plates and the flatware, it just screams peach to me. But of course, there had to be some element of peach on the table, and those beautiful peach kitchen towels brings everything together. So now, guys, can we talk about that wooden bowl with the turquoise wooden bead trim? It's filled with lush greens and those beautiful peach ranculus buds. I really love the look of this table, and as you can see, I opted not to use the turquoise wine glasses that were shown in the items I was going to use today, just because I felt like it was too much of the turquoise overshadowing the peach. So guess once you pull your table together, it's okay to add or take away things from your table if they don't look right to you. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I styled today, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And I want to say thank you to our lovely host today for putting this collab together. And please don't forget to go over and watch the playlist. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.